Hi, I'm with To Karate, and we know how tough it is to run a martial arts school today. Between teaching classes, managing staff, and keeping parents happy, it feels like there is never enough time. And the truth is, most schools lose students not because of the quality of their classes, but because of missed calls, slow follow-up, and inconsistent scheduling. Think about it. When a parent calls or fills out a form, they are ready to book now. But if no one answers or a callback comes hours later, that lead is gone. Even worse, appointments that do get booked often don't show, and busy staff don't always re-engage them. That means lost enrollments, lower revenue, and wasted advertising dollars. That's why we built RevConnect 360's AI employee. It answers every call day or night with warmth and professionalism. It books more trial lessons than a human because it never forgets and never gets distracted. It follows up automatically, confirming appointments and boosting show rates. And if someone doesn't respond, it keeps re-engaging until they do. All of this is tracked inside your CRM, so nothing slips through the cracks. The result? More trials, higher conversion rates, and a steady stream of new students without burning out your staff. Click the link below and let's show you how To Karate and RevConnect 360 can help your school grow faster, run smoother, and generate more revenue.